Hello everyone. On my 2013 Honda Civic EX, I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. It only takes less than 5 minutes to do and can save you over $100 from taking it to the dealer. This also works on a 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. So what you do is you basically make sure the vehicle is first turned off. Open up the glove compartment. On the side here, there's two little clips. All you got to do is just squeeze out. But first you want to make sure that you remove everything inside the glove compartment, because everything's going to fall out if you don't. So I'm going to show you what it looks like pulling out the glove compartment now. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the glove compartment down. Then you basically, there's the unit right there. So you just unclip the two sides. There's the cover. There's the air filter itself. Then you just pull that out. Okay. You could buy a new one from Walmart or AutoZone for anywhere from like $10 to $20 based off of your preference. And then you just put the new one back in. Okay. Just insert the new one back in. There you go. And then we're going to put the clip back on, which is real simple. Okay, it just has two sides right here. 1, 2. Okay, so there's the clip. The cover is back on. Now you just squeeze the both ends of this back on. Okay, so there you go. You just put the stuff back in your glove compartment, close it up, make sure it's flush and everything, and that's it. You got your new cabin air filter. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.